مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. More vocabulary for you concerning weather. So here we have some nouns. So let's learn more words. Shamsun, sun. Matarun, rain. Riyahun, wind. Asifa or asifatun, storm. غيوم, clouds. عواصف رملية, sandstorm. رعد, thunder. برق, lightning. قوس قزح, قوس قزح or قزح. Rainbow, قوس قزح. فيضان, فيضان, flood. جفاف, drought. ثلوج, snow or ice. ضباب, mist or fog. One more time. شمس. مطر. رياح. عاصفة. غيوم. عواصف رملية. رعد, thunder. برق, lightning. قوس قزح, rainbow. فيضان, flood. جفاف, drought. ثلوج, snow and ice. ضباب, mists or fog. نسبيا, more useful vocabulary. نسبيا, relatively or fairly. جدا, very. الجو حار نسبيا. الجو, that's the weather. حار, hot. نسبيا, relatively. So the weather is relatively hot. You can say اليوم, today. الجو حار نسبيا. The weather is relatively hot. الجو حار جدا. The weather is very hot. درجة, درجة, that's mean a degree or level of something. درجة. حرارة, that's mean heat. If you combine the both, becomes temperature. درجة الحرارة or درجة الحرارة becomes the temperature. درجة الحرارة, the temperature. So it's a combination of daraja, a degree or level, and the heat, which is حرارة. عالية or عالية, that means high. So you can say درجة الحرارة, the temperature عالية, is very high or جدا. منخفضة, that's mean low, opposite of عالية, it is high. درجة الحرارة عالية. So the temperature is very high. ودرجة الحرارة منخفضة اليوم. Additional vocabulary. So we have weather adjectives. Soften, soften, that's mean clear. You can say الجو صافٍ اليوم. Weather is very clear today. معتدل, 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 that's mean moderate or mild. الجو معتدل اليوم. So you know how to say الجو is very hot. الجو حار جدا اليوم. الجو صاف, very clear. الجو معتدل, moderate or mild. الجو صحو. الجو صحو, that's mean bright. The weather is bright. لطيف, pleasant. الجو لطيف اليوم, pleasant. مريح, الجو مريح اليوم, weather is comfortable or pleasant as well, comfortable today. غائم, غائم, cloudy. الجو غائم اليوم. ثلجي, snowy, icy today. الجو ثلجي, from ثلج. رطب, humid. اليوم الجو رطب اليوم, weather is humid, moist today. مبلل, مبلل, wet or damp. الجو مبلل. جاف, dry. الجو جاف, it's been dry. دافئ, دافئ, warm. الجو دافئ, warm. The weather is warm today. If it is hot, you say الجو حار اليوم. ضبابي, foggy or misty. الجو ضبابي, الجو ضبابي. صاف, معتدل, صحو, لطيف, مريح, غائم, ثلجي, رطب, مبلل, جاف, دافئ, ضبابي. Now you have vocabulary relating to weather in both nouns and adjectives. It's now up to you to put it together and start using them. Read Arabic newspapers in the weather forecast section and look at all these words. You will see that you will start recognizing them.